What's up guys, Uncle Jack. Today we tackle the extremely difficult job of installing new mirrors. Everything else went wrong. It was supposed to all be one video, but the handlebars where we had the the Clubman style bars, we need to extend the brake line before we can use those. And the headlight install, I got bad buckets. Just spend the money, folks. Don't go to Amazon. Just spend the money on a real part. I thought I'd save like 30 bucks too, and it was all messed up. So today, the only thing I have left that we can install on this thing is the mirrors. Let's get to it. Hey guys, so we're gonna put these mirrors on today. If you haven't done so yet, please shoot me a like, shoot me a subscribe. I really appreciate it. It's a brand new channel. I already have 10 subscribers. I just really enjoy putting out this content, doing the Livewire stuff. I think there's a lot more to do with the old bike. So stick around, hit subscribe. You'll be notified if you hit the bell indication of every time I post a video. Now, let's put these mirrors on, shall we? First things first, we have to take off the old mirrors, which should be pretty easy because I just hand tightened them on there the other day. The good old Harley mirror. Wow, they put this thing on everything. What Harley doesn't have this mirror? Ooh. Oh, I should probably turn the bike off, huh? Oh no, you guys. I don't remember what screws came with what package. But these has got to be the mirrors one. Let's see, because it looks like it's a kit for two different size threads. Let's see what we got. Is it this one? No. It's not really this one either. Oh no. Is there a picture of it anywhere? No! I know these are involved somehow. And then it looks like... Oh, yeah. Dude, no way. No way! We can't even install the mirrors either? Come on, this can't be right. I seriously don't believe this. Not only could I not install the handlebars, I could not install the headlight. And now, I can't even install mirrors. Okay, wait a minute. I just remembered I bought a mirror extension kit. Because I was originally going to put them with the OG mirrors and get them, maybe have a better angle from underneath. And even lining it up, that didn't look great either for safety or just for the lines of the bike. So I tossed it to the side and said, you know, like $8. But guess what's in there? Guess what's in there? Just what we need, baby! We gonna put these mirrors on today. Oh, wait a minute. That'll only go so far. We might need some bolts. Okay, but all is not lost yet. Let's check on this thing. Oh my god. You guys. Will it snug? Definitely not. We may need a bolt, or what we could do is just... Yeah, that's it. That's all she wrote. It'd be all loosey-goosey. Alright, let's get a little creative. Now that's gonna be hot for 30,000 hours. Come on now. Yeah. Oh, it's hot. Get in the hole. Oh, is it? Wants a screw in there, huh? Double duty. It doesn't hold at all. Let's try this again. All right, that's on there. You know what? I love it. I really like it. Let's see. That needs to be tightened down a little bit. But that is exactly where I want to be looking. Yeah. These go, yeah. Now let's see how it looks on the underside. I don't think it would be as useful down there unless I could also in turn use those extensions and then just run it That's gonna look really weird for the lines. All right, you know what that means. Metal. Get on there. You got it. There you go. Let that cool off for an hour. There it is on the underside. Let's get that on there. I don't think this is gonna work. It might be better with the lines, but I mean, I think it'll get there, but I don't think it'll be very functional as a mirror. But I could be wrong. It's pretty close to where a bar end would be, kinda. I don't know, my hand's gonna hit that though. Just do it like that. It's in my way there. This is ridiculous. And no, there's... I guess if you put the extender there too, but I mean... I really like it up here better. That's just easier to look at. Yeah, let's flip that over. So there it is. I like the way it looks. I'm into it. This little turn signal deal with the cowling off, we're gonna get to that in another episode. I actually saw that from a guy, TC, I forget what his name is, but he's on all the forums, and I don't think he has a super active channel, but he has a great bike, and he's always changing it up. I'll put a link to, I guess, his channel or something. I'll put a link to something of his in the description. Otherwise, that's the mirrors. They look great. I like them. I wanted them to be just a little, like, I was hoping that this would telescope just to the point where they would kind of be like bar end mirrors, which you can install because we have throttle by wire. But it looks good. I'm really happy with it, and it, like, where they are right now is perfect for functionality. So I'm into it. Look forward to doing more. We just need to wait for a new headlight bucket and a brake line extension to install some of the pieces we already have. But stay tuned. I hope that this mirror episode gave you a lot to reflect on. Like and subscribe.